Well, you've done it. You've gotten your project approved and it's time to specify your display. Excellent. But where do you start? We've got some key questions for you to start with to help you figure out exactly what type of product you'll need to ensure the long-term success of your installation and that your end user is thrilled with the result. First and foremost, do you have the budget to successfully complete your project? When you're considering budget for your project, it is way more than just the cost of the display. The list of things you may need could seem daunting, but you need a full understanding of budget implications before you start your project. Depending on the scope of the project, you may only need a few things, but consider that larger, more in-depth projects may need all of the following, and then some. Architectural design, electrical and structural engineering, general contracting, electrical install, low voltage cabling, display install, media playback, and content creation. It's a lot, but if you don't consider it now, it'll be painful in the long run. This is not to discourage anyone from undertaking something, but being realistic is important, and so is understanding that large projects are not as simple as hanging a TV on a wall. Number 2, what is the intended use of the display? Understanding the use case will help you determine the product type, SMD, GOB, COB, flip chip, whatever. It will help you determine the pixel pitch based on the viewing distance, the brightness, the playback system, and any other variables. Think about where that display is going, who's going to be looking at it, and why you've decided to undertake the project. Answers so many questions about the technology strategy. Number 3, can we do a site survey? Looking at plans is great. Drawings are invaluable, but getting on site can provide a sense of scale and depth that you can't always get from looking at paper. Additionally, it provides an opportunity to work with the end user and discuss all aspects of the project. It allows for a true understanding of ambient conditions, viewing distances, and audience perspectives. A site survey will only strengthen your understanding of all aspects of the project. For more information on display specifications, check us out at theledstudio.com, where you can find all of this information and even more valuable insights into building your next project successfully.